made a video and I always talk about how easy this is. And as I think about it, because I've been doing it for a couple of years now, yes, it's easy for me. But in the beginning, I'm going to be very honest. This is probably one of the hardest things to actually get down. And it's not understanding the knowledge itself. It's more or less like you and your habits. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Dan, coming to you with another video. I was supposed to do this Friday, but it was a lot going on. Anyway, I'm gonna break down a small NZDUSD trade. I ended up making over 200%, and it's not really a whole lot to explain. It's just, it happens. Like I said, sometimes you'll go have these losing streaks and then you'll win again, whatever. But I'm gonna break this down on the computer, and hopefully it makes sense to y'all and kind of give y'all a little bit of information that can kind of, help your trading, hopefully. But anyway, I'm gonna swap over to the computer, and then once I get done giving y'all a little breakdown, I'll come back and kind of talk about, my emotions and everything, considering I had just had like this crazy back-to-back losing streak, and what I pretty much did to like not let it bother me so much. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swap over. All right, so we here. Took a little minute. My nephew changed my recording path thing, so I had to fix it. Bless it, nephew. But anyway, let's go over this NZDUSD trade. It's nothing crazy. I'll be doing the same thing. I kind of break this down a lot simply because this is just how I trade. But oh yeah, can it load, please? All right, bet. So it's this one right here. And I'm gonna kind of go over that real quick. Like I said, it ain't nothing major. But I'm gonna break this down. So pretty much overall, as y'all can see, we are still downtrending, even though we had this impulsive move to the upside. So pretty much what I expect from NZDUSD when it comes to these sales, anything below this price where this red line is, as you can see, we had some decent sales from under this red line. So I told myself, so we broke these highs here originally and made this newer high. And I told myself, if price gets back under this level, then I know we're going to continue selling. So what I saw was we broke up under this level, and then we started consolidating. So price broke and it tried to buy back up and it failed. So it started consolidating. So I know normally whenever I see consolidation, in my mind, I'm not saying this is 100%, but in my mind, whenever it breaks out, it's going to follow that trend. So we was consolidating for a couple of hours, and then we finally broke below here. And if y'all seen my videos, y'all know how I get my entry, which this candle, like I said, I don't know why it does it like so perfect, but the candle formed right before the major drop happened. And I had entries, I think I had like, I don't know how many I had, honestly, I had a lot. But I had some entries under here, and as y'all can see, price dropped pretty nice, and it kept on dropping. So now we here, but now we're to a point to where price could buy back up. So now I'm looking to see how price is going to react. Are we going to buy back up off of this level here, or are we going to continue selling off? So today is Sunday, and it's currently like 6 o'clock. So we're gonna see by tomorrow. Make that a demand zone. We're gonna see by tomorrow night what's going on. I'm gonna go live tonight as well. Well, y'all gonna see this Monday, but yeah. So as of right now, we're chilling in this area. Hopefully we can get a buy back up to the highs, because we have not broke below this zone yet. So if we can hold this level right here, I could potentially see some buys back to the upside. And low key, I'm already in a buy position. Just to test it out to see what's gonna happen. My stops is right up under this right here. I'm gonna move this over. So my stops is right up under here. I take profit is right here at this red line. And if price shows some very strong bullish momentum, I'll probably just overall target this up here. But if we get back into this red line and price starts moving sideways and slowing up again, then I'll probably go ahead and secure the profits that I do make. I think I just did something wrong. But yeah, I'll probably go ahead and secure the profits that I did make and just go from there. I like this. But yeah, so hopefully that kind of like helps y'all out. I know it wasn't a whole lot, but like I said, it's just anytime I see consolidation, depending on what trend we in, whenever the breakout do happen, as long as you being patient and well, the way I get my entries, you know, that just works for me. But as long as you be patient, whenever breakouts do happen after consolidation, it follows a trend. That's what I've noticed. So again, it was multiple factors on why I even seen, you know, price playing out this way. Because if we had got a buyback above this red line, I definitely would not have went for a sale unless it got back under this red line. Because I know under this red line, it's very, very, very strong selling momentum. So we got under there the first time. From here, price touched again, dropped. Got up again, broke above just a little bit. Once it got back under, dropped down again. Came back, dropped down. Finally broke up, made some new highs, got back below. And as you can see, since we've been back below, it dropped down again. So we either gonna keep selling or it's gonna keep buying. But like I said, we're in this demand area right now. So I'm gonna see how price actually reacts right here. If we can get back to this red line and it still fails to break again, then I know we definitely gonna go back probably under these lows, targeting 55 flat. Hopefully we can get 55 flat and then get the buys back up to the not all-time highs, but you know, back up into the highs around these prices here. So that would be nice, because we're still in the same area of this 3-year low that has not been broken yet, and we still haven't completely broken out of this area either. So we're gonna see this I don't know, this kind of looks like this right here, but I can't really say that the market is going to continue to repeat itself like that. We just gotta wait and see. But again, like I said, I do have me a little buy entry, and I'm just waiting to see what happens. So it is Sunday. We do have NFP, I think, this week, and CPI, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, that's that. But anyway, hopefully y'all enjoyed that little breakdown, and I will switch back over now. All right, man. So look, all my traders out there, bro, understand, like, this shit is a process. This shit is a journey. I know I'm not dropping no crazy videos, but I mean, hey, it's only gonna get better, right? I want y'all to understand, y'all have to be very consistent with this. Like, it's not gonna just be you gonna get better in a month, you gonna get better in 2 months. Like, you really have to lock in and take this serious, because it's not like it's. I made a video, and I always talk about how easy this is, and as I think about it, because I've been doing it for a couple of years now, yes, it's easy for me, but in the beginning, I'm going to be very honest, this is probably one of the hardest things to actually get down. And it's not understanding the knowledge itself, it's more or less like you and your habits, you know what I'm saying? And I kind of spoke on that a little bit in one of my lives, but you really have to change, you know, all the bad habits that you have. You really have to change all the crazy thoughts that you have. It's a lot of shit you have to change about yourself in order to really understand and be good on these charts, because it's not as easy as I was making it out to be. And I'm not saying that it's not easy, but it's like, because I've been doing it for so long, you know what I'm saying? And I was like, damn, I really gotta stop telling people this shit is just easy. Now, it can be easy as long as you're following, you know, the right information that you're getting from people, but still you have to overcome all those bad things about yourself as a person. The knowledge on the charts is very simple. Now that really is simple and easy, but what you have to go through in order to overcome all those obstacles in order to become a profitable trader, that's the hard part. So that's why I kept saying, like, oh, it's easy, and, you know, stuff like that, which granted it is once you have the proper knowledge. The problem with that is a lot of people try to go through all these other folks who be selling these courses and just be putting out, you know, crazy information that's not really beneficial to people, especially new traders. Or you'll have information out there that's so complex that people be scared to actually learn how to trade because they feel like they can't understand the different terminology. But yeah, I definitely probably gonna make a more in-depth video about that, because I did say multiple times that it's easy, and like I said, for me now it is. So yeah, it's easy for me to say that, but in the beginning, I want to be honest, it was not that easy. Like, obviously it took some years for me to really understand what I was looking at and actually being on the charts and figuring shit out for myself. But as long as you have somebody who's actually profitable and making money and actually not just promoting, you know, no crazy shit like no prop firm or no broker or whatever, and they're consistently showing you, hey, I'm making profits, or even being 100% transparent like me, hey, I'm taking losses, I'm getting my ass whooped, I'm winning, or I'm losing, because at the end of the day, if you're seeing a page and they're constantly posting wins, you're gonna lose in these markets, bro. And I wish I noticed a lot more people have started talking about their losses. I ain't gonna lie, but again, if you constantly just seeing wins, like that's a huge red flag, because you're not gonna win 100%. But yeah, I just want people to understand, like it's very simple information to learn, but in order for you to understand what you're really looking at, you're gonna take some time having to learn how to actually read these charts, the emotions you're gonna go through. You got to learn how to detach from money. It's a lot of stuff you're gonna have to overcome in order to get to a certain level when it comes to trading, because the information, like I'm gonna keep saying, the information is simple. I don't really know how to put it in words, because it's not the information that's hard. It's the emotions. It's you. You know what I'm saying? It's the people. It be the people, bro. So hopefully that makes sense. Like I said, I'm gonna try my best to go more in depth about that in a different video. But I did notice that I was saying how easy this shit really was, and in reality, it can be for certain people. But for some people, it seems like impossible to learn, which is not, because for me, I thought this shit was gonna be impossible to learn. I ain't gonna lie. My first couple of years, I'm like, yo, I done quit a couple of times. I done said, forget trading. I don't want to do it. The shit too hard. What am I doing wrong? But then you really have to just be patient, especially right now, because these markets ain't really helping. Like, it's not, what we sitting in right now is not the ideal market that I like trading in. I don't think nobody really like it right now, unless you already got a fuck ton of money. You can catch 10 pips and make 20, 30K. Like, okay, cool. But a lot of people that's coming into this in this type of market that we in right now, it's like, damn, is this shit ever gonna move? So right now, if you can adjust to what's going on and the market's not really trending like that, and then once it actually starts trending, I feel like right now is probably a really good time to start learning, because once the market actually start moving, the stuff you had to go through as of right now, because we're going through a bunch of up this week, down this week, up this week, down this week, but we're steadily in the same little range that we've been in since December, and it's March. Like, I feel like this is a good time, because once it actually starts trending, you be like, damn, this shit moving, and I guess it can be a good and bad thing, but it'll be beneficial because you done got used to being more patient. You know what I'm saying? So it's a lot plays in that. So again, hopefully that makes sense to y'all, and hopefully y'all get some out of these videos that I'm putting out. If y'all got any questions or anything, there's a link to my Discord in the description. So if you would like to join that, it is open to the public. It's probably gonna just be open anyway, but join the Discord, introduce yourself, let us know, what got you in the trade and stuff like that. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications. Comment down below, let me know what else y'all want to see. I'm gonna try to push out a couple videos this week, because it's a couple things that I've been looking at, and I want to see how everything is really gonna play out. But yeah, this I feel like this week gonna be a pretty good week. I'm not gonna lie, because it's been February been a shitty month for me. I ain't gonna lie. So hopefully this month be a good ass month, and this week start off pretty good. So yeah. But anyways, me and boy the end. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.